Here we are. We're at the city. The city's about 69 feet out. This is 6-inch clay that we're coming back into. That's 2 pieces of straight pipe they use as a change direction, so it's a little bit gap there. Doesn't look like it's too much to worry about. I don't think it's a big deal there. A little bit of light roots in that one. And here's where I have the most concern. Looks like this is roots coming in a crack here. The reason why I think that is that you see it's like a bunch of grease stuck, might be paint from the remodel. The reason why I think it's a crack is that there's a joint right here, and the next joint is there. So we can even measure this. Let's go like this actually. So these are 2-foot sections, so we're in that other joint. Now we can measure where this is. So we're in that joint. And now pull it back. I went too far. There, we're in that joint. And there's the next joint. So that's the 2 feet. So this is the middle. Without cleaning it, we won't know, but it doesn't look very straight here. It looks like the pipes are kind of pried up. So we definitely need to clean this and most likely repair that area. We could put a fiberglass patch on it if that's what we want to do. I'm going to keep pulling it out. This is a transite pipe that we see in here. Looks really good. Pretty strong still here. Coming into the cast iron pipe now. Back towards the house. And we're up and out the clean out. We went through the front clean out that's located underneath the carpet right here by the water meter.